nyo, pantay.
Dahil gusto ko lang makasama ka at makayakap ka. Huwag mong ipagkaiba.
Pantay na ba si Jay? Di pa nakapantay eh.
Gusto ko lang naman ang lambing mo. Di na ko galit, halika na dito. What you gonna want to me, yeah. Can you be my remedy, yeah. Baby, gusto ko lang
Atras konti.
sayang halika mo, okay na. I just want your body. I just want your body on me, on me. I just want your body, body, body. Come a little closer to me. I just want your body.
Yan. Teka lang ha. Check ko lang. Yan, all goods, pantay. Bibilang ako ha. Bibilang ako dito sa chat.
Nasaan ka na ba? Dadaan na nakita, sabay tayong umuwi. At huwag nang magtampo.
Wait lang.
Lumalalim ang gabi, di na ako mapakali. Nasaan ka ba? Ako'y kanina pang tumatawag kasi sobrang miss kita. Isuot mo na ang iyong tong, pag-i-play ng sexiest song. Sabay pop hip-hop na sabong, bago magbale-balendong. Hanggang di na maalala mga galit ko. Sabik naman naman ulit ang topic mo. Gusto na madapian ulit ang labi mo. Huwag magsamang painitin natin ang labinto. Babe, nasan ka na ba? Hinihintay na kita. Ayos na lahat, pwede na magkala. Umuwi ka na, miss na kita. Alam mo ba na nakainis ka? Sino bang nagsabi mo umalis ka? Kaya please umuwi ka na, bilis na. Kasi this time miss ko na, ikis ka. I'm gonna kiss you on your forehead. I'm gonna do my best, down through your chest. Just say yes or you stop kung anong next. Hanggang sa kama ka mabigyan. Yayapusin ka ng mahigit. Kung tan masikip ako'y sisiksik. Habang labi mo sinisipsik. Sa ganyang paraan ko ipapadama ang ngayong alaga.
Abante na kayo, Emmy. Para na.
Kailangan kita hanggang maaga pa umuwi ka na nga. Ang lahat na kailangan ni-ready ko na sa silid ko ay ikukulong na kita. I just want your body, body, body. I just want your body on me, on me. I just want your body, body, body.
Full stop ba?
Come a little closer to me.
Ang lala.
Your body, baby, lika na. Di na ako galit, baby, uwi ka na. Baby, sorry, don't want me.
Abante, Emmy. Wag ka dyan.
I just want your body, right, nah, nah, nah. I just want your body, body, body. I've been grinding on your booty, booty, booty.
Wag ka dyan sa gilid nila. Dadaanan nila yan eh.
Fuck you right in the bed, let me ride on you, baby. Bibigay lang sa kanya. Di ka na di
Una ka na dito kung ano.
kanina pa ako nag-aantay sa'yo, kaya umuwi ka na ha. Gusto na kitang kasama kahit na isang gabi.
Maaalangan yan sila eh.
Kayang minisayang sandali. Huwag ka na mag-alala, mas mabuti magpakasaya. Kapit ka ng maigpit, anong mga mangyari, huwag kang
Umalis na si Emmy.
simpleng galit lang to. Kailangan ko lambing mo. Alam mo na kung ano dapat gawin mo kapag sinarado pinto.
Nabangga daw sa'yo si Jeff, Emmy.
Nasaan ka na ba? Ba't di ka pa umuwi? Alam mo bang halos ako sa di makonsume? Minsan nababaling na sa mga sabi-sabi. Pero di ko na patatagalin to. Pwedeng alisin mo kung ano man lahat ang imiss ko. Pwede mapakiso payakap naman isa lang lahat. Kasi namimiss ko. Painitin natin ang gabi. Di ka dito sa aking tabi. Sa kung lahat ano mang parte. Dahan-dahan walang pati.
Check natin kung sino nauna sa mga yan.
I just wanna feel your body, body, body. Fuck you right in the bed, let me ride on you, baby. I just want your body, body, body. I just want your body on me, on me.
Puta, na.
I just want your body, body, body. Come a little closer to me. I just want your body.
Ay, sorry, sino yun?
Di na ako galit, baby, uwi ka na. Feeling very sorry, don't want me.
Nabangga ako eh. Sa kanan na lang kayo.
I just want your body, right, nah, nah, nah. I just want your body, body. I've been grinding on your booty, booty, booty. I just wanna feel your body, body, body. Fuck you right in the bed.
Sino yun?
Right on the baby.
Natigil. Taing mga ano to. Na-AI na sila doon. Ayun lang. Diskarte nyo yan.
Gusto ko ikaw ang katabi, baby. Won't you come with me? Gusto ko ikaw ang nakikita ko. I want you all for me.
Starting ko lang. Layo na ng dalawa. Habulin natin. Sino yung nauuna? Nabangga ako eh. Ngayon, nabulin natin sila dun. Sino yung tatlo na yan?
お待ちどうさま喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンボランサーうちらの出番
Pag nanalo si Virex.
見せてやろうリアル VIP
Many, many diamonds dangling. Bag full of money, we strangling. Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me. All the above, cause you can't get in. I don't want no problem. Because me professional.
Take natin, sino nauna dyan sa tatlo na yan?
Like a Canada type jets out meltdown oh let's go
Torash, Turkey.
oh such kitchen also let's go ぜひラグララブからlet's go 25秒じゃない2秒ニューヨークそれ私のペインポイント
Diskarte nyo ha, wag magbablock. Bawal magblock. Overtake lang.
私テリヤキボイスあっという間吹き飛ばすノイズ慢心してますんでゲットペンの数も増えてますベーシックはサプライズでマジ毎日が危ない
Dito na sila. Ang bibilis ng mga to ha, naka-automarsan lang.
惑星からのシャイ See me in the parking lot 7-Eleven is the spot Bikes with wings and shiny things and lions Tigers, bears, oh my ride We fierce and fast Supersonic like JJ Fatten We ride till the wheels are flat Can't beat that with a baseball bat
Si Virex ang nangunguna. Sino tong pangalawa? Ngayon, nahabol na ni Milk Tea. Dito yan magkakaalaman sa bundok eh. Nag-aabulan, magkasunod lang si Boyet tsaka si Zurak.
All up in the news cause we so cute. That's why we so huge. Eligible girls know how I feel. Daily spec, I keep it real. Not a China man cause I ain't from
Magkasunod lang si Boyet tsaka si Zurak.
You see Nigo coming out of the black tent as a laugh. I wonder where he get that kind of
Si
money.
Virex ang nangunguna.
Don't worry about it. Let's go.
Kailangan ko mauna sa bundok eh. Hindi ko pwedeng unblock to. Wala na si Jeff. Lumabas na si Jeff. Tatlo na lang pala sila. Si Jay wala na din. Ayun lang, Jeff. Nice ride, Jeff. Tatlo na lang sila, tatlo. Si Virex, si Zurak. Tsaka si Boyet. Nadisi rin nata si Jay. Hindi, nahabol si Zurak eh. Talo ba? Bawi, next ano? Pangalawa lang, si Zurak. Nauna si B-Rex.
Sunsets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist.
Pangatlo si Boyet. Nauna si B-Rex. Block natin si
All those fairy tales are full of shit.
B-Rex. Una tayo sa taas.
I'll be sick. Turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect
Pangalawa si Joshua. Nauna si B-Rex.
you, but all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time where we
Na
call.
malayo na siguro to.
Even the sunsets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy
Tantado.
after did exist, I would still be holding you like this.
Lipad. Nauna si ano. B-Rex pa din. Butik na.
That shit. I'll be out spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me, I'm stunting.
Nabul ulit tayo.
Push up a button, telling me I changed since I blew up or whatever you call it. Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my shirt, you can tell it I'm ballin'.
Nauna pa rin si B-Rex. Pangalawa si ano.
Had a really good game, but you missed
Joshua.
the shot, so you talk about who you see at the top or what you could have saw. But sad to say, it's over for. Phantom pull up, valet, open doors. Wish like go away, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go and take.
Pangatlo si Boyet.
I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this.
Sige, sige. Bawal mag-shortcut ha.
One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone.
そこには何が待ってるの空と海が出会う心は
Baka nandyan si ano eh. B-Rex eh.
アンサーアイルゴーや俺のおかげさも収録されたディズニー映画最新作実写は
Pag-unblock ko,
モアナと伝説の海
tigil talaga yan.
サウンドトラック Spotify でお聴きください
いつのよ
My heart's a stereo. It beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note.
Yan, baka dito. Malayo na yun sila.
Make me your radio. And turn me up when you feel low. This melody works
Ayun, malayo.
for you.
Uy, nagkadikit yung dalawa.
To my stereo.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else?
Ay, nauna pala si Surak.
Back, could you manage that? Then if we had, you could
Sorry, wa.
handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks.
Nauna si ano, si Joshua. Nauna na.
I used to, now I'm over that. Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the hands. Keep me stuck inside.
Nauna na si Joshua. Nauna.
And know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
Dikitan natin. Nandun pa yung dalawa. Pababa pa lang.
Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio.
Bawal man blakwa ha.
When you feel low, this melody was meant for you. So sing along to my stereo.
So, hindi naman pala eh. Nang black ka daw, sabi nila Kumi.
Let's go. If I was an old school 50-pound boombox, would you hold me on your shoulder?
Ayan, nauna si Joshua. Pumapangalawa si B-Rex.
And crank it higher every time they told you to stop. And all I ask is that you don't get mad at me. When you
Una na tayo ulit.
D batteries, appreciate every mixtape your friends make. You never know, we come and go like on the
Nadaya yan. Daming basher ni Joshua.
Take me by the hands, keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. You know my heart's stereo, the only place for you.
Ang lala.
So listen close, hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio, come on, turn me up when you feel
Ginanti yan.
it was meant for you. Sing along to my stereo.
Ayan, sabay-sabay naman kayong umalis eh. Pag tuwirik yan.
So sing along to my stereo. I only pray you'll
Sabay-sabay din yan.
behind. Because good music can be so
Tingnan natin sino ang darating.
hard to find.
Oops, si Joshua pa rin.
Hold it closer to mine. Yeah. Our love is never
Si Joshua pa rin ang nauuna.
heart's a stereo. It's the
Kunti na lang, 400 na lang.
hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio. Turn me up when you
Hindi mapapagkatiwalaan. Ang lala nyo kay Joshua.
belong to my stereo.
Ayan, dyan daw yung maubusan ng gas. Calculated na ng champion yan.
Yeah. Shining like a melody in my head that I can't keep.
Si ano pa rin nauuna. Si Joshua.
Shines like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day. It's like my iPod stuck on replay. Replay. Remember the first time we met? You was at the mall with your friend. I was scared to approach ya, but then you came closer, hoping you would give me a chance.
Low gas na nga ako eh.
Never knew that we
Hanap akong gasolinahan, baka abutan.
white breaking all the rules. She like a song played again and again. That girl, like something of a poster.
Saan kayo galing, Kedge? Nag-chat ako sa GC.
Gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day.
Last ride na to.
Like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day. It's like my iPod.
Yun lang.
Replay. Shine.
Rent ako na terminal to, baka abutan nila ako eh. Dinaya pa sila, Boyet. Tatlo na lang sila eh. Nawala na si Jeff tsaka si Jay.
I'm in the kitchen cooking things she likes. We're railroad white, breaking all the rules. Someday I wanna make you my wife.
Pag naubusan ng gas yan, maabutan yan ng nakapag-refill na ng nasa likod.
It's a gun, they say. Her gun is a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody.
Hintayin na natin sila dun sa ano.
Keep on, got me singing like na 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 every day. It's like my iPod stuck on replay, replay. Shawty's
Last ride na ako, bossing.
my head that I can't keep on, got me singing like na 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 every day.
Racing na to eh, racing, may price. Nagtatrash talk pa yung ano, namumuna oh. Tinatrash talk pa yung si V-Rex. Payag ka ba wa? Skin na lang daw bigay ko sa'yo. Mauli ba ding? Nagtatrash to ka na yung tatlo.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out.
Hati-hati na lang kayong tatlo. Si Joshua, si Kumi, tsaka si Kets. Payag ka na, wa. Hati-hati na lang yung tatlo. Yoko, perang-pera na ako. Anong ano? Bawal shortcut ha, sa GPS lang dadaan ha. Pag may nag-shortcut, disqualified. Kung si Joshua naman nauuna, all goods na yan. Wala eh, malayo yung agwat eh. Hindi naka-block. Bawal shortcut. Dito ako siya shortcut ha. Yung dalawa man trash talk ah. Tina-trash talk yung dalawa. Ayan na, si Joshua ang nauuna. Abangan na natin siya doon sa finish line. Hindi naman nag-shortcut. All goods lang. Nandaya ka daw oh, sabi nila oh. Sa kanila na lang daw yung premium mo wa. Paano ba yan? Sisend ko sa kanila. Ganyan talaga sa Pinas pag nakakaangat. Lala. Ayan, basahin yung founder nyo. Abangan natin siya dito. Ayan na ang first place. Gumigewang-gewang na ang first place. Bang! Sino ang pangalawa? Pila mo na dyan, wa. Dyan na lang mag-picture sa labas, wa. Sino yung pangalawa? Ah, si Boyet ang pangalawa. Asa na si Virex? Lala.
Let me show you
Asa na si Virex? Malapit na yon. Ayan na si Virex, pan third place. Third place, Virex. Tara, picture ta sa loob. Sabi ko, teka lang may go pa yun Sino ba nauna? Si Jay yung nauna dun Di ba? Tara, dito tayo picture. Bawi, next ride. Delay sa live Tara, picture ta, picture. Ulit ba? Mas delay dyan. Ang lakas ng trash talk na ito ni Joshua Bawi na lang, bawi. Magpapalaro pa tayo.
Yeah, I'm out at Brooklyn. Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to the Narrow. But I'll be hood forever. I'm the new Sinatra. And since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to cop in Harlem. All of my Dominicanos right there up on Broadway. Pulled me back to that McDonald's. Took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry. Cruising down 8th Street, off-white Lexus.
Okay na.
Slow, but BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out that Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to Tata, still sipping my top, sitting courtside.
Nice ride sa inyo.
Nigga, I be spiked out, I could trip a referee. Tell by my attitude that I'm most definitely from.
Wala. Lala mo, Virex. Tara wa, picture wa. Binawi ka na, Kets, ni Joshua.
But I ain't a crypto. But I got a gang of niggas walking with my click though. Welcome to the melting pot. Corners where we selling rock. Africa been by the shit. Home of
Ayaw pa magpa-picture. Halala.
foreigners, it ain't fit. They act like they forgot how to act. 8 million stories out there in the naked city. It's a pity half of y'all won't make it. Me, I got a plug special and I got it made. If Jesus paying LeBron, I'm paying Dwayne Wade. 3 dice CeeLo, 3 card Marley. Labor Day parade, rest in peace, Bob Marley.
Nice ride, nice ride. Okay na wa. Park na. Congrats sa founder ng SPB. Love, binlock mo daw Kaya nga nauna na si Virex Anong nangyari sa'yo, Virex? Ikaw na yung nasa unan. Bigla kang nawala sa first place.
Lights is blinding, girls need
blinders, so they could step out of bounds quick.
PM mo sa akin, wa. Gcash mo, wa.
Sip the light casually, then gradually become worse. Don't bite the apple, eat. Caught up in the in crowd, now you're in style. And of the ones that get cold, involved with your skin out. City of sin is a pity on the whim.
Next time, kids. What's...
Filled with them. Mommy took a bus trip, now she got a bus out. Everybody ride her. Just like a
Cast din nyo, wa. Susunod kasi, sali kayo.
virgin. And Jesus can't save you. Life starts when the church came here for school graduation.
Para makachamba, malay mo kayo mag first place ba.
Addicted to the limelight. Empty and made, got you feeling like a champion. The city never
Wala buhit.
you were envious.
First lang. Next time, bawi kayo, bawi. May parades pa kami dyan.